Hi, in this video I will show you how to debug a website in VSCode. So normally when you an Angular application. So in this case, normally when you have your application, you go to terminal, new terminal, and then you say ng build or ng serve. And then you get this small comment here on the bottom which says, okay, open your website here, and so when you open this one, you see localhost, and this one is running at the moment. But this is a good tool. With F12, you see the sources. You go in there, and then you may debug straight in your browser. But some things are difficult when you want to go behind. So you see also here that's quite nice. The Vite and the Angular script stuff is also there. But I don't want to show you this point. I want to show you how to debug here, in here. So for this one, you open here, you go to the run stuff. That's this one, or this one, run and debug. You open this here on the left side. And when you want to run that stuff, it will first, when you click on the big block, then it will say, okay, select something, select a browser where you want to work on. So normally you take the Chrome browser, and then comes up this small stuff, and you're saving this one. It's a launch file, and the launch file is placed in here. It's placed here under the Angular cache, Angular, and there is the VSCode. No, it's not below Angular, it's under VSCode. So you will see this one under somewhere where your application is. Let's do it like this. When you go there and say open here, reveal them in your site application, and then there where the application is, and there's the subfolder, and there's the launch. That's what you see in the behind. But when you try to run that, it will not start when we're there. And now when you try to start it, then it goes wrong. You see this one, this from the IIS, from the Internet Information Server side, when you have Windows placed. So what you have to do in here, you take this address, the 4200, you save that, and when you start it now again, then you see that it runs into that breakpoint. So the app is opening, and you see that breakpoint. Now you're able to analyze that stuff. You see a lot of stuff on the left side, and here you see some variables which you set a point on. And then you may, wherever you are, you may set a breakpoint in your applications now. So when you open, for example, your site and go in here to my, normally I am opening, let's say the base. From the base, the app component, for example, this one, I'm not sure if it works at the moment, but when you say now on, and now you see it jumps on that point. And you will find the most stuff on the browser also, but in this case it's also, this is some typical stuff behind. So the trick was to set in launch this address.